Namaste. Science is a way of thinking much more than. It is a body of language. We celebrate Jagadish Chandra Bose's birthday on November 30. He was a polymath, physicist, biologist and archaeologist. Our student GK Shetty Vivekananda Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School students of class 4, they are going to perform various programs. Let's watch now.
ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे दयोश्चित्वा प्रणमामि गुरुमुहुर् नमः श्रीरतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे யார் இவர்?
இவர்தான் அறிவியல் விஞ்ஞானி ஜெகதீஷ் சந்திர போஸ்.
அறிவியல் விஞ்ஞானியா?
ஆமாம், தாவரங்களுக்கும் உயிர் உண்டு என்பதை கண்டுபிடித்தவர்.
தாவரங்களுக்கும் உயிர் உண்டா?
ஆமாம், பல பரிசோதனை மூலமாக உலக அளவில் நிரூபித்தவர்.
அப்பனா இவருக்கு நிறைய பரிசு கிடைத்திருக்கணுமே.
ஆமாம், இவருக்கு நோபல் பரிசும் வழங்கப்பட்டது.
இவரை பத்தி நம்ம நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் தானியா.
கண்டிப்பா தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ மூலமா அவரை பத்தி நிறைய பார்க்கலாம்.
Jagadish Chandra Bose was born on 30th November 1858 in Vikrampur, Bengal, to Bama Sundari Bose and Bhagavat Chandra Bose. His father was a leading member of the Brahmo Samaj and worked as deputy magistrate and assistant commissioner of police in Faripur. Jagadish Chandra Bose education started in a vernacular school, Harris School, and then St. Xavier School at Kolkata. In 1875, he passed entrance examination of University of Kolkata and was admitted to St. Xavier College, Kolkata. He received a BA from the University of Kolkata. He completed a BA Natural Science post from the University of Cambridge. He completed BSc and DSc from the University of College, London. Invention of Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose. In 1894, Jagadish Chandra Bose decided to devote himself to pure research. He converted a small enclosure adjoining a bathroom in the Presidency College into a laboratory. He carried out experiments involving refraction, diffraction and polarization. It would not be wrong to call him as the inventor of wireless telegraphy. In 1895, a year before Guglielmo Marconi patented this invention, he had demonstrated its functioning in public. Jagadish Chandra Bose later switched from physics to the study of metals and then plants. He fabricated a highly sensitive coherer, the device that detects radio waves. He found that the sensitivity of coherer decreased when it was used continuously for a long period, and it regained its sensitivity when he gave the device some rest.
Bose used this invention to introduce the world of plants to humans. Invention crystallograph showed how plants move. It has a series of gears and a smoked glass plate that record the movement of plants still under magnetic scale of 1/10,000. Plant was dipped in bromide, a poison. The pulse speed of the plant was shown as a light spot on the smoked plate. The spots became unsteady as the plant started to take in the poison, proving that plants have life. Also, plants are sensitive to pain and affection.
If there was been any success in my life that was built on the unshakable foundation of failure. This great movement can we explore some about a physicist, a biologist, a botanist, an archaeologist and an author. Considering all the above, you are saying about Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose. Only am I right? Perfectly right. His invention is the highly sensitive instrument for the detection of many responses by living organisms to stimuli which anticipate the equilibrium between animals and plant tissues. He was the first person from the Indian subcontinent to receive a US patent for development of detector of electrical disturbance. What is first experiment on plant conducted with a leaf, a carrot and a turnip plucked from his garden? How he developed that studied how plants he have differently under different environment factors such temperature, chemicals, electricity, gases and humidity. Finally, he discovered that an electrical disturbance occurs in plant when they die.
I would like to demonstrate an experiment on plants by Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose. Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose proved that plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise and various other external stimuli. Thus, Dr. Bose found many similarities between plants and other living organisms. I would like to demonstrate Dr. experiment on the plant Touch Me Not or Mimosa pudica. We all know that the Touch Me Not plant glows when we touch it. Let us observe it.
This is the Touch Me Not plant. Now I am going to touch its leaves. We can see that as soon as I touch the leaves have been closed. Now let me blow air on the leaves of the plant. When I blew air also, the leaves got closed.
Why did the leaves close when we touch it? What is the reason behind it? As soon as we touch the plant, itself produce electrical signals in response to which the pulvinus flushes out all its fluid. Due to this loss of fluid, it starts to lose this rigidity and thus the leaves close or sleep immediately. Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose was one of the first to study the electrical signaling between plant cells. He thus proved that like other living organisms, plants also respond to the external stimuli like heat, cold, light, noise, etc.
In this experiment, pine cone in pine tree will close and tight when rainy or cold weather. It will get open if the climate is warm and sunny. For this experiment, one pine cone put in cold water and another one in warm water. Pine cone in cold water close and tight immediately. Pine cone in warm water does not close, it's open only. From this experiment, we can see plants' feelings based on climates. Thank you.